नमस्कार. आम्ही आज असा मडगावच्या रवींद्र भवनात आणि हांगा इंटरनॅशनल म्हणजे वीज इंटरनॅशनल स्पेल बीज ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनाचे नॅशनल लेवलाचेर कॉम्पिटिशन जाता. त्या कॉम्पिटिशनाचे टॉपर्स जे आसा विनर्स जे आसा तांकां प्रायजीस दिवपाचे आसात. प्रायजीस डिस्ट्रिब्युशन सेरेमनी जावपाची आसा आणि ह्या कार्यक्रमा खातीर देशाभरांतल्यान वेगवेगळ्या स्टेटींतल्यान भुरगीं जी स्मार्टस्ट भुरगीं म्हळ्यार जांकां आमी जी स्पेलिंगां चिंतूंक शकना ती स्पेलिंगां सांगपी अशी भुरगीं हांगा जमा जाल्लीं आसा. तांचे कडेन वचून तांचे स्मार्टनस आनी तांचे कडल्यान इन्स्पायर जावन तेंची आमी काणयो आयकुया. हाय, वॉट्स युअर नेम?
Trisha Agarwal,
फ्रॉम?
Rourkela, Odisha.
Okay. So you got which place here now?
6th.
Sixth place. It's in Spell Bees, right?
Yes.
Okay. So how was it? How do you
It was
feel now?
Now I am very proud and delighted. My grandfather came with me
Ah,
to Goa.
okay.
No.
And who all came?
Me, my mother, my grandfather, and my father.
Okay. So what were the? I mean, how was it like? Was it tough? Your competition?
Yes, it was tough.
How many people were there?
Here,
No, in the competition.
in the competition, I have no idea. It's for many.
Oh. So what was that word for which you were out?
Rebuke.
Rebuke. You can spell it now?
Rebuke.
Oh, okay. So now you spell it right. Then it was wrong.
No, that time also I said it correct. But any network problem, they said that it's wrong. They hear something wrong.
Okay. So a network problem is, was it online or like straight?
Online.
Online. Oh, okay. Okay. So this competition was online.
Yes.
Okay. So today, if I ask you some questions, if I ask you some words, can you spell them?
Okay, I'll try it.
Okay. So if I had to ask you honest.
Honest.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Okay. What do you want to do next?
Now in Spell Bee, what I want to do next? I want to try the national level, international level. If I lose, I have no problem in that, but I have to try for the next level.
So yeah.
The spellings will be very tough, but I'll practice and I'll try to win something.
So what do you want to become like in the future?
I want to be an engineer or scientist, something.
So any special word you like to spell for us?
Special word.
Yeah.
I can tell you the spelling of barbecue.
Okay. Go ahead.
B-A-R B-E-A-C-U-E.
So is it just because you're hungry now?
No. I remember that spelling in the meanings, that's why.
What's the meaning?
A meal that is cooked and prepared outdoors using a metal frame on which fish, meat and vegetables are cooked over fire.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Advika.
You?
Kavya.
Kavya.
Yogeshwar.
So you all from which school?
Kids Kingdom International School.
Now when you were participating in this Spell Bees, how was it? What was the feeling?
I was very nervous that I would do these much words or some things. And there was some signs from which we should recognize the words.
So was it tough?
A little bit, but for me it was tough. For him it was not, because he did second time this.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how was your experience?
It was good. And it was easy also.
So which word you failed? You got now 41st, right? So where you failed? Which word?
Homage.
So you can spell it now.
Homage.
Oh. So how did you miss it?
I vanishingly put a "ins" in home.
Okay.
That's all.
How about you?
Nice.
Which was the word? Last word you made a mistake. You remember it?
Regiment.
You can spell it now.
Regiment.
You spelled it right. So what was the mistake then?
I put RGE.
Oh, okay. And which was your word?
I really do not remember that. But it was nice, a good experience.
So if I had to ask you some questions, okay, some spellings, you can spell them now?
Yes.
Spell bee.
SPELLBEE.
Okay, prudent.
PRUDENT.
Here. Prudent. Okay. How about you? Extra school.
What?
Extra school.
EXTRASCHOOL.
Yogeshwar.
YOGESHWAR.
Wow, that is easy. How about you? Wizards.
WIZARDS.
So what do you want to be when you grow up?
Teacher.
Teacher. And which teacher? English? Okay, now there should be a competition between you three, okay? You ask her a question, spelling, you, him, and you, him, her. Okay? Start. You ask her.
Identifying. IDENTIFYING. Identifying.
Correct? Yeah? Okay, now you. You ask her.
Appendix. I know. Easy word. I know. Appendix. Sir, I know.
You know? Okay.
APPENDIX.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay, now you.
Psychological. PSYCOLOGICAL.
Correct?
Yes.
Now you spell it.
PYS.
You asked him.
PYSOGICAL.
Correct?
Wrong. Because he only asked me first.
Yeah, but you asked him.
Yes, I asked him because he knew.
Okay.
And he asked me first.
Okay. So what's your dream for in the future?
Huh?
In the future? Your
What
dream?
are you going to be?
What are you going to be?
What are you going to be? Scientist. Me too. Scientist and astronaut. No, I'm going to be a ISRO scientist. Same.
How about you?
IAS officer.
IAS officer. You're one. Mohammed.
Tell your name.
Tell your name.
Muhammad Hashir.
You're from?
Karnataka.
Which school?
HL Public School.
From Karnataka. Okay, so you have won the 4th rank. Congratulations.
Thank
Wow. So how was your experience? How did you feel?
you. It was tough and I tried a lot, then it came.
So how is Goa?
It's very good.
You had been before or first time?
First time.
First time. So what is the spelling of Goa?
GOJ.
So easy. And Karnataka?
KARNATAKA.
Wonderful. And how do you feel now with this 4th rank?
I feel excited.
Excited. So what next?
Next level is like international. I want to try to get first rank in it. Utsha Mukherjee.
You're from?
West Bengal.
West Bengal. You have won.
Second.
Yeah, how do you feel now?
Very excited for the international level.
See, now you got the second place, yeah? So what was that word where you failed?
Barricade.
Barricade. That was the barricade for that first prize. And how do you spell it?
Barricade.
Is it right?
Yes, but I did a mistake there.
Okay. So hi, what's your name?
Adhita. ADHIT Adhita.
Okay. Aditya, so you're from where?
Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal.
Bhopal. Which school?
Delhi Public School, Neelburn.
And you've got 2 trophies now. This and this. So this is for?
Spelling bee.
And which place?
Third position.
3rd position. And this handwriting.
This is for handwriting competition, 5th position.
Wow. So you're at the top. How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel proud on me.
So now for this spell bees. So you this is which place you said? Third? Third place. So which word you failed?
I actually don't remember. It was one or 2 months ago, so I don't remember. I had answered 99 or 100 words.
How do you prepare all these words?
From in some apps of online, and actually my sister also used to give in when she was young. So that time also she had her books for spell bee. So I prepared from her books also, and the books we get from school. She got international spell bee contestant also. International prelims she had went.
Okay, so you are inspired by your sister.
Yes, she has many trophies and medals and certificates. So I have a goal to get more than her.
More than her, yes. Okay, which is your favorite word?
Amazing.
Just because you are amazing.
Not because of that. I have many favorite words like amazing, happy, love, etc.
Hi, first of all, you spell your name and tell me your name.
Avniel
It's,
is my first name.
yeah, how do you pronounce it?
Avniel.
Avnel. So hi Avnel, many congratulations. So you have won the first place in which category?
It's Wiz National Spell Bee, but I did this for grade 4.
How was your preparation? How do you prepare for this?
I don't know. I just memorize the thing step by step, and then I eventually memorize it.
So do you play like or only spellings?
I do, but there's just only one thing here.
I mean, which is the longest word you can spell for me?
Pneumono ultra microscopic silico volcano coniosis. PNEUMONOULTRAMICROSCOPICSILICOVOLCANOCONIOSIS.
Breathless. So was this asked in that competition?
No.
So this is like.
What does it mean?
It means a lung disease contracted by breathing the ash of a volcano.
So which is the shortest?
The shortest word that I can spell. It's probably I or A.
Perfect.
Okay, so for us, Avnil has been very special. So we noticed that he's very keen about spellings, numbers. He loves science. To be very honest, there's nothing we do special. He's self-learned. He loves to look at some numbers or books and papers. He reads on his own. Mm-hmm. So very honestly with you, he's never prepared for any spell bee. Except for look up maybe a couple of days, right? A couple of days before. And once he sees the name, the way it's spelled, he likes to understand what's the origin and then the meaning of the word. Correct, Avni?
Curious.
Yeah, very curious about it. So,
and so this started since which age? Like what age?
So he's about 9 years old. Right from about 3.5, I think he's been very curious about. So yeah, Avni, correct.
So how do you feel now?
We're extremely proud. We just wish, we always keep dreaming that someday he should be at Scripps International Spell Bee. He wants to be he wants to be a quantum physicist himself. Correct? Is it there or math
I
now?
wanted to.
He wanted to. Now it's math. So we're extremely proud with all that he's doing.
So I hear you can like
He can rattle out all the elements.
all
yes.
the elements.
Yeah, you want to try?
Can you please? Yeah.
hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine, xenon, cesium, barium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, thallium, lead, bismuth, polonium, astatine, radon, francium, radium, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium, Rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, borium, hazium, meitnerium, darmstadtium, röntgenium, copernicium, nionium, fluorovium, moscovium, livermorium, tennessine, and oganes.
So I have nothing to cross check. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Khushi and B.
Kushi NB. So you're from
Mangalore.
Bangalore. And you're won which place?
Third place.
In Spell Bees.
Yes.
So okay, how do you feel?
I feel very nice. I'm happy.
You come first time in Goa?
Yeah. No, second time.
In Goa.
Yes.
So how is Goa?
It's very nice.
So what was that word where you failed?
It was a word called lustrous.
And then you can spell it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I should spell it.
Yeah.
Lustrous.
Lustrous. Okay. So when you have won the prize now, what is next step?
I have to keep on going.
Okay. So what are the plans?
I will continue in 6th standard and I will try to achieve first.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
And what are your dreams now? What are your dreams?
I want to be a cricketer.
Like after this, you want to become a cricketer.
Yeah.
You're interested in sports.
Yes.
Okay. What else? Like now that people are watching. Okay. The people are watching. No, the kids are watching. What do you tell them?
I want to tell them that if you have hard work, if you take hard work and keep on taking it, you will receive success in your life. Hard work is equal to success. Failure is a part of success, not the opposite of it.
Hi, Manuel. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
So you are the topper in Goa, and yes, in class 2, right? So you have won this prestigious prize, right? How do you feel?
I feel very nice about it.
Okay. So how was the achievement?
What?
How was the achievement? How did you feel?
I felt very nice that I had got first rank in the national round.
So did you prepare much for this?
Yeah,
How was it? The preparation.
I studied around 2 letters a day every day on my holidays.
So do you go out for playing or all like or only spellings?
I did a lot of spellings, but I went out to play for some time every day.
So now that you have won this first place, you're making Goa proud, okay? Your parents proud and us proud also. So what next? What next you want to be?
I want to be a scientist.
Okay, and then how about this Spell Bees next level?
I'm participating.
Wow. So you're prepared,
Yeah,
all set.
yeah.
We are super proud because this is our 25th year for our school, our silver jubilee for our school, Little Primary School, Fatoda, Goa. This is our silver jubilee year. In this, our manual had got a great pride for the school.
So this is the gift. On the
Yes,
gift,
yes, of course. It's a great gift for the school.
So how is this conduct in school?
We have it in different levels. The first level, it is done in the class wise. Then they take it with the district wise. They come to the school and they do it in such a professional way. That's the reason we are with Spell Bee. This is for the past 7-8 years we are with them. Every year they conduct and we are very happy with it. They do it so professionally.
I feel very proud of my son because although it's very surprising, it's at the same moment it's overwhelming and exciting to see a small child of 8 years win a Spell Bee and learn so many words over a span of 2 to 3 months.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Judith.
You're from?
I'm from Goa, Kolim, Goa.
Oh, so you got this sixth place.
Yes.
How do you feel?
I feel very proud of myself. It has been a big achievement. I've worked so hard for this.
So what is handwriting for you?
For me, handwriting is like a passion. I love to write. I have been practicing handwriting since when I was in UKG, nursery. That's all.
So how important is it to have a good handwriting?
It is important to have a good handwriting because you can have a great personality as Shri Justice Uttarkar said about P. Abdul Kalam.
So what do you want to be next? What next?
Next, probably in Spell Bee and even handwriting.
Hi,
Hi
your
sir,
name?
my name is Rishan Maria Fernandez.
You're from?
I'm from Karnataka, Mangalore.
Okay. So you must be knowing Konkani.
Yes.
You can speak something? How do you feel being in Goa?
Being in Goa is a very good place and having experience over there is a good, nice and very good task over
You
here.
can say this in Konkani, no?
No, I'm Roman Catholic. I don't know Goan Konkani.
Okay.
I'm feeling very proud of myself and this deserves to my parents as well as teachers and my principal sister Maria Sarikesi of St. Agnes School and my mentors who guided me in my Spell Bee exam as well as the training. Overall, I'm feeling happy and proud.
Hi,
Yes,
your
hello.
good name?
My good name is Ishita Bhattacharya
You're
and
from?
I am from Bhavan's Gangavax Kanodiya Vidya Mandir, Kolkata, West Bengal.
You have secured which place?
I secured first place in whole India from class 8.
Oh, class 8.
Yes.
So how do you feel?
I'm feeling very proud and I'm very much grateful to all the teachers of my school and all the organizers of the Spell Bee team who helped me to and gave me this opportunity to participate in this Spell Bee competition and gave me a platform to showcase my skills and creativity.
So what is that process of doing the preparation?
The preparation process is just they give some booklets from first level to fourth level till national level. So we have to prepare words from those booklets only. And if we have some extra knowledge from storybooks and other newspapers, then we can perform well, even more well.
So what is your next step now? After
My
this?
next step is I want to participate in International Spell Bee, which is in the whole world. The next one, I want to participate in that.
So inspired by someone?
Yes, I'm inspired by my parents and my grandparents and all the teachers of my school.
My good name is Devdeep Biswas. I am from GD Goenka Public School, Siliguri, West Bengal.
And which place did you secure? Your place is second, national
Yes.
ranking second. So how do you feel?
I feel very proud.
So what do you want to be now next?
I want to be in Indian Army and protect my nation.
I'm Isha Saran from Bishop's Court Senior Secondary Girls School, Patna, Bihar. I have secured 4th rank in National Spell Bee.
What is the spelling of Bihar?
BIHAR.
And which is the longest word you have spelled?
In that exam,
Yeah.
extravaganza.
Spell it now.
EXTRAVAGANZA.
And which was that word where you failed?
Rickety.
You can spell it now.
RICKETY.
So like now you can spell it right. What was that where went wrong then?
I got confused by the automated audio.
It was online.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So what next? What do you want to be?
I want to participate in the international level and I'm looking forward to get a better rank.
Pet Chennai 18.
What's your name?
Anant.
Anand. Anand, congratulations. You have secured second rank.
Yes, sir.
How do you feel?
I feel very happy on seeing this. I got inspired by this and I want to secure first rank next time.
But what was that inspiration to participate?
The one, it will be helpful in the future. That's the reason I participate in those things.
Wonderful. Okay, what do you want to tell these people, like kids who are watching you now?
I want to tell that they have to work hard and achieve these things.
I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Okay. And you have secured fifth rank.
Yes.
In the sixth, and you have
I
secured
have secured 7th rank.
seventh rank. So how do you feel now?
I am feeling very proud and very fantastic and excited. From my parents' side also, when I see them feeling proud for me, then I feel proud, very much proud for them also and myself own also.
So whose handwriting is good? Your mom's or dad's?
Both, sir, both are similar only. Yes,
Yours is better.
No, sir, I don't think this, but I can say that.
So you are inspired by whom? Who's in there?
My parents only. They have supported me so much that I am now here.
Okay. How about you?
I'm also feeling very happy and fantastic that I have got 7th rank. I wish that next time if I participate, I get better rank.
So hi, Avya.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Great.
Yes. So you have secured 25th rank in standard 6th
Yes.
Spell Bees.
Yes.
How do you feel?
I feel overjoyed. Very happy.
Okay.
Actually, last year I tried. I didn't make it to the nationals. But this year I tried, I made it to the nationals and I got 25th.
Okay.
So next year I'm going to do better.
So what is that next target?
The target is always first place.
Wow. And then if you can remember, like this 25th place was somewhere you failed. So which is that word you failed?
Well, actually I spelled immigrate instead of emigrate. So
Okay. There where you went wrong. So now then, like when you have this place, so all these kids know who are watching you through our cameras. What do you tell them?
I would like to say that you should try your best. It's not about winning, it's about participating. And in the process of that, you will learn from your mistakes. So always try your best. I like reading books, so my spellings improve from that.
So who searched this for you, Spell Bees? Your
It
parents
came
or
through
you?
school. It came through school.
Okay.
So when it came through school in 5th standard, I wanted to participate. As I said, I didn't make it to the nationals in 5th standard, but in 6th standard, I came to the nationals and I got 25th.
Aiden, Aiden, Aiden,
And you have secured
fourth rank.
fourth rank,
Yes.
standard fifth. Standard fifth.
Yes.
So how do you feel?
I feel as though I've attained something remarkable.
Is that it, or you want to go more?
I want to go more. First
what-
is I'm wanting to get to first rank.
Okay. So what are the preparations?
I mostly read books, right, and I will use the dictionary in case I couldn't find the meaning of a word. So that's what I do, and of course I prepare from the booklets.
So do you play or not?
Play as in
Like outdoors?
outdoors. I don't play much.
So when you have secured this fourth rank, so what are that word you missed?
Sycophant. Sycophant.
So you can spell it now.
Sycophant.
So what does that mean? Meaning of
It means someone who constantly wants attention.
Okay. And you have captured it now. Attention.
Yes, I've captured it.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And Amelia,
Yes.
your siblings, yeah?
Yes.
So you are inspired by him?
Yes, because he's very smart and I learned lots of things from him.
So you are smart.
Yes, I'm the
And
smarter one.
you feel she's smart.
She is smart, but compared to me, I'm not sure. But she is smart in her own right.
I'm more sporty and he's more smart.
So you go outdoors, you play.
Yes.
And he doesn't
I'm good in sports and he's good in his school.
play. Okay.
As an academic.
Yes.
So this is 10th rank.
Yes.
Where do you miss? What did you miss?
I lost on the word felicitous.
You can spell it right now.
Yes. Feliciti. See, wait, the spelling is Felicitous.
So my name is Ekansh Lonkar and I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. Sir, I am proud and honored and overjoyed because I have been giving this exam from when I was in standard 2. So my English teachers and my parents motivated me to give this exam, and from second standard first time I qualified for nationals, and I was in top 10, and from then I am coming in top 10.
Now this is 7th.
Yes, sir.
So
Now I'm in
what went wrong for the 6th?
Sir, actually, I went over 100 plus words, but I thought that I would come in top 3, but I don't know what
Which
went
was
wrong.
that word?
Linoleum.
You can spell it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Linoleum.
So easy.
Linoleum. Yes, sir.
So what went wrong?
I pronounced I in place of E.
Okay.
Linoleum.
I'm very happy for my son, Ekansh, and it is just because of him that I've become a coordinator of National Spell Bee competition. My profession is something different, but I'm involved in this exam because the way the exam is being conducted by the authorities is wonderful. They are very systematic, very transparent, and the children really get inspired and motivated by the way the exams are conducted.
So now this is the first time this award ceremony is in Goa. So how was it?
It was a wonderful experience. The way the organizers have arranged it, it is a very systematic way, and the children are really overjoyed to receive the prizes on the stage from eminent personalities.
So as a parent, so what are the preparations you have to do? Like, as in if you can share your experience.
My son basically is participating in National Spell Bee since class 2, and he's being qualified in National since class 3, but somehow he has not achieved the top rank. So I think somewhere his efforts or mine efforts are falling short. We'll try it next time. Now I think since National Spell Bee is going international, we tend to put in more efforts because he's a good sports person also. He wants to do all the things, so somehow some things suffer. Yeah.
Hi, welcome to Goa. By the way, what is your good name?
Shifa Tanveer.
Yours? And you?
Shriyanshi Divedi.
श्रेयांशी. कैसा लगा गोवा में आके? And what about the program?
Very nice.
अच्छा लगा? So what are the prizes you have got? कौन सा वाला?
Writing wizard.
Writing wizard.
Yes.
Okay. And which prize you have got? Like कौन सा है वो?
7th.
It's a 7th rank.
Yes,
Okay. Yours is 8th and you?
4th rank.
4th rank. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Anushka Mukherjee.
Okay.
I'm in Timpani School, class 2,
Okay.
Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam. And what is great about Visakhapatnam? Can you tell me one thing about Visakhapatnam?
I love to go to the beach someday.
Okay. And what about Goa? You have been to beach?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
I'm very grateful to go for Wiz National Spell Bee.
Okay.
I am rank 1.
Rank 1. Wow, that's great.
I crossed to 130 words.
130 words. Wow, that's great. Even I don't know 130 words. What do you have to? Who was
My
helping you in
mother
this?
helped me.
Your mother helped you.
She encouraged me
Okay.
to do a lot of work.
Lot of work.
And
Okay.
Spell Bee.
So this trophy should go to your mummy, right? No, it's yours.
Yes.
Okay,
because
that's
I
nice.
won with National Spell Bee.
Oh, that's nice. But
I'm Shifa Sharifa.
okay, and you're from which place?
I'm from Tamil Nadu.
तमिलनाडु. वाओ, ग्रेट. और आपको कौन से नंबर का रैंक मिला है?
3rd rank.
थर्ड रैंक. दैट्स ग्रेट. एंड कैसे लग रहा है ये अचीवमेंट के बाद?
अरावंड एक 15-20 वर्सां पयलीं जेन्ना आमी इवन स्कुलांक आसतालो तेन्ना 2005-06 इवन आय वॉज वन ऑफ द पार्टिसिपंट ऑफ दीस. आनीक ताजे नंतर आय रिप्रेझेंटेड तालुका, आय रिप्रेझेंटेड स्टेट. त्या टायमार देर वॉज नॉट सो मच अवेरनस अबाउट दीस प्रोग्राम्स, आनी तरी सुद्दां आमकां ताजो एक म्हाका तरी पर्सनल लायफांक इन माय ओवरऑल करियर इट हॅज हेल्प मी अ लॉट. जावं म्हजी इंजिनियरींग जावन वेन आय वॉज इवन परस्युईंग माय MBA कित्याक खंयचे MBA हाचे खातीर एंट्रन्स एग्जाम्स आसतात. आनी आतां जर भुरग्यांनी पळयलें, भुरगे आवटसायड इंडिया MBA खातीर कॅट GMAT GRE अशी वेगवेगळी एग्जाम्स असतात सो त्या एग्जामी खातीर भुरगीं प्रिपरेशन करता आनी ताचे खातीर वोकॅबलरी तशेंच रिडींग कॉम्प्रेन्शन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट आनी ताका हे जे वर्ड्स आसात सो आतां एग्जाम्सांक तुमकां वर्ड्साचो मिनिंग्स विचारतात ऑर इट कॅन बी लायक टू इंटरप्रीट अ सेंटेन्स एंड दिस हेल्प्स अ लॉट. So this spelling bee is not about your vocabulary or it is not about your memory. It is about a skill. It is an analytical skill to interpret a word and to tell that word properly. सो हें जें आतां ह्या लेवलाचे वेल्यान जें सुरवात केलां आनी गोंयांक हांव म्हाका प्रत्येक भुरग्यांनी प्रत्येक स्टुडंट प्रत्येक कॉलेजींनी स्कुलांनी स्पेशली स्कूल्स this should be promoted because it's like a foundation stone and once your foundation is very strong especially in your vocabulary English this not even helps in your school life college life but overall across your career.
And now it's a need of the hour that a student should understand what is the importance of the handwriting, what is the importance of spelling, and I think with this at least to a certain extent we will be moving away from your mobile addict, I would say. And of course mobile is very much important, but now what is important is little bit of understanding the importance of this language. And even they should start from the primary level, elementary level. And I wish the organizations all the very best. And taking this to a larger scale, the organizations can write it to the state government, Department of Education, and we will coordinate with them.
Hi, what is your good name?
My name is Abhinish Pal.
Okay, congratulations for your achievement, and I can see how you have got good prize money also. Okay, what are you going to do with it?
I don't know, maybe I'll pay my flight fare with it.
Oh, that's great. That's good. Thoughtful. So, how are you feeling about this? Getting a second rank, right?
Yeah.
Second rank, yeah.
I'm feeling honored to be a part of this August gathering, and I wish to thank my teachers who have encouraged me to come to great heights, and a special shout out to my librarian ma'am who has helped me at every stage, and there was some problems with me coming to the national level and she cleared all of them off, so thank you so much ma'am, and principal ma'am who let me or consented me to come here for the prize distribution.
Wiz National Spell Bee ही ऑल इंडिया लेवलाचेर फर्स्ट टायम हें प्रायज डिस्ट्रिब्युशन फंक्शन गोंयांत जाता. हेच्या पयलीं जवळपास 15 वर्सां ह्या कंपनीन वेगळे वेगळे भागांनी ऑल ओवर इंडिया हे प्रायज डिस्ट्रिब्युशन फंक्शन ऑर्गनायज केल्लें. सुरवातीक कलकत्ता वेस्ट बेंगॉल हांगा हें प्रायज डिस्ट्रिब्युशन जवळपास 10 ते 11 वर्सां जालें. त्याचे नंतर तें आमी कोयंबतूर हांगा 2018 केलें. त्याच्या नंतर 2020-21 हो जो कोवीड पिरियड आशिल्लो तेतून आमचें कॉम्पिटिशन जातालें, पण आमी जी प्रायजीस आसात ती आमी स्कुलान धाडून दिताले. ताच्या नंतर जें लास्ट इयर जें आमचें पयलें प्रायज डिस्ट्रिब्युशन आफ्टर कोवीड जें जालें तें आमचें बेंगलोर जालें. आनी ताच्या नंतर आमी जे गोंयचे जे टॉप 20 भुरगे आशिल्ले जे हँडरायटींग आनी स्पेलिंग बीन जे टॉप 10 आयिल्ले त्या भुरग्यांक आमी वेगळे फेलिसिटेट केल्ले. तो प्रोग्राम कंपनीच्या लोकांक बाकीच्या पेरंट्सांनी लायव्ह पळयलो आनी त्याच्या नंतर पेरंट्सांचे आनी कंपनीच्या लोकांचो डिमांड आशिल्लो की आमी हो इव्हेंट गोंया करचो. सो मेन इव्हेंट बेंगलोर जाला तो. सो अशा पद्दतीन हो इव्हेंट आयज गोंया घडोवन आयलो. डेफिनेटली गोंयांतले पेरंट्स, गोंयांतले टिचर्स, स्कूल्स, प्रिंसिपल्स आनी हे जे सगळे फॅकल्टीज आसा हेंचो फूल कोऑपरेशन आसा. त्या खातीरूच हे चडांत चड भुरगीं ह्या कार्यक्रमाक वांटेकार जावपाक लागले. कंपनी तर्फे चडांत चड भुरग्यां मेरेन पावप, चडांत चड स्कुलां मेरेन पावप हो प्रयत्न कंपनी तर्फे सदैव चालू आसा आनी तो ह्याच्याय फुडें चालू उरतलो. आयज म्हाका सांगतना कस भोगता की पूर्व आमची जवळपास 55 स्कुलां वांटेकार जातालीं. अंदू आमची ती जवळपास 65 ते 70 स्कुलां पर्यंत हें कॉम्पिटिशन पाविल्लें आसा. आनी आयचो हो जो नॅशनल लेवल इव्हेंट आसा हेतूंतल्यान म्हाका अशी खात्री आसा की 100 वयर स्कुलां ऑल ओवर गोंयच्यान हितून वांटेकार जातलीं.
आतां हें स्पेल बीज जें आसा न्ही, स्पेल बीज आसा मागीर हँडरायटींग हें आसा जाल्यार कितपत म्हणजे कितकें इम्पॉर्टंट आसा म्हणजे भुरग्यां खातीर आयज कालच्या.
स्पेलिंग बीचो उपयोग हो फक्त स्पेलिंग्स असो ना तर ताका आमी म्हणटात स्पेलिंग बी, बट तातूंत बऱ्योच इंग्लीश ग्रॅमराच्यो गजाली तातूंत इन्क्लूड केल्ल्यो आसात. त्याच्या शिवाय हँडरायटींग हें आयच्या काळान कंप्युटराच्या काळान लोक म्हणटात हँडरायटिंगाक इम्पॉर्टन्स कमी आसात की आमी कमीच कमी बरयतले पूण आमकां हँडरायटींग कित्याक बरें आसपाक जाय. पूण हांव सांगपाक सोदतां की आयज जेन्ना आमी 10वेची परिक्षा दितात 12वेची परिक्षा दितात तेन्ना आमकां एक टायमाची मर्यादा आसता आनी त्या टायमाच्या मर्यादेन भितून आमकां बऱ्या अक्षरांनी आमचें उतर बरोवपाचें आसता. जर आमी उतर गडबडीन बरयलें आनी तें जर करेक्शन करतना जर तांकां तें कळोंक ना जाल्यार तेचें लॉस हें त्या भुरग्याक जातलें. सो जर तेचे कमी टायमान तो बरे पद्दतीन जर बरोवंक शकलो जाल्यार तेचें जें करियर आसा तें फुडलें घडपाक खूब उपयोगी जाता. सो हँडरायटींग हें स्पेलिंग बी वांगडाच तितलेंच इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. लिटल हँड्स हें कॉम्पिटिशन हें माणकुल्या भुरग्यां खातीर आसा क्लास LKG आनी क्लास UKG खातीर. आतां क्लास LKG आनी UKG ही फावंडेशन लेवला वयलें तेतून तांकां ह्या कॉम्पिटिटीव स्पिरिटा पेक्षा सुद्दां तांकां एक एक्सपोजर पार्टिसिपेशनाचो एक्सपोजर हो इम्पॉर्टंट आसता. आमी तितून तेंचे रँकिंग्स ह्यो गजाली चड इम्पॉर्टंट दिनात पूण तेंचें पार्टिसिपेशन जावप हें तेतून खूब म्हत्वाचें. तेंच्या स्कूल एक्टिविटी वायज ते खंयचे तरी वेगळ्या एक्टिविटीन पार्टिसिपेट जाता ही खूब म्हत्वाची गजाल.